I got it.
One more try. Oh, Tabby.
Hold on. I got a swing when I got behind you.
Be quiet. You need a leg up.
Go.
Ha ha. Oh, try again. Come on, Lou. I'm not going to say that was like the most scariest laugh ever, but it was. Nice.
Can I do it? I'm sitting on a horse. I'm sitting on a horse.
Mom, you don't need to move again.
You're such a turd!
Oh!